Let's install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Open a browser of your choice and type Kali, click Download. Select Virtual Machines. Since we're looking to download Kali on VirtualBox, click the download icon. You can also download it as a torrent depending on your preference. The download will take a bit of time, but I'm going to skip till the download is finished. The download is done. We're opening the download folder to extract the file. Right-click the downloaded file and select Extract All. After extraction process is done, you can check the folder to make sure there are 2 files. It's time to open VirtualBox now to set it up. Go back to the extracted folder and select the first file. Click the blue one with 3 kilobytes to set it up automatically on VirtualBox. Open Settings and set up the machine as follows. You can select more storage than that depending on the storage on your PC. Select the number of processors depending on the number that is available. We're done. Kali Linux is ready to open and work. Click Start. Give it some time to power up. It won't take much time. The default username and password is Kali, but you can change it later for security purposes. And just like that, we're already on Kali Linux operating system. I'm putting it on full screen for better visuals. We're done. How easy was that? Here is a terminal for writing commands. We're now ready for maximum use of Kali Linux. Kali is the best for penetration testing and ethical hacking at large since it comes with tools already pre-installed, while you can also install others. Let's have a look at the already pre-installed tools ready for use. I think we are done for today. Hope you had fun watching the tutorial. Let's log out now.